how to be safe at school, at home, and how to be safe on road, and how to be safe at playground. Then we learned what you will do if you see an injured person, the first aid, how you can give that. Now so there was the question time. We were doing question time. Did we do A, B, and D? Did we finish it? Anyone unmute and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we finished
ma'am.
A, B, and D. Now it's question C. Question C1. We'll do today question C1. What should you not do at home? Give any 2 reasons. So, safety at home, there are 2 points. First point you write that never put your finger into plug points. Everyone, write, open your class copy and write question number C1. We should never put our fingers into plug points. You write that in your class copy. Question.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, Maira.
ম্যাম বলছি আগের গুলো একটু বললে ভালো হয়, আমি তো এই নিউ।
What do you mean by আগের গুলো? Tell me, what do you want to know, Maira?
ম্যাম কি বলছেন?
Tell me, what do you want to know? Can you understand me? Can you understand English?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just I am speaking slowly, so you try to understand. I am speaking slowly. Okay, you try to understand and follow, because this is an English medium school and you have to understand. Okay, and you have to write in English also. So Moira, listen to me carefully. We will do the previous chapters, that is chapter 1 and chapter 2. We have already completed. Okay, already completed.
Okay, ma'am.
Chapter 1, chapter 2. After we finish chapter 6, after we finish chapter 6, we will revise chapter 1 and chapter 2. Then you can follow that. Moira, did you understand what I'm saying? Amra?
ম্যাম এর কোশ্চেন একটু বুঝিয়ে দিলে ভালো হয়। অ্যানসার গুলো
কোনটার?
বলো চ্যাপ্টার 1 আর চ্যাপ্টার 2।
Okay, we will do that when we revise. After we finish chapter 6, we'll go back to chapter 1. You understand, Moira?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do not worry. We will discuss chapter 1, 2 and 6 again. Today, we are doing chapter 6 question and answer. You try to follow that. Okay, everyone, open your class copy. We are doing question C1. What should you not do at home? Give 2 points. Give any 2 reasons. Number 1, we should never put our fingers into plug points. Everyone completed writing? I want to see if anyone has completed or not. Okay. First point, we should never
I
put.
have completed.
Okay, first
Ma'am,
point.
first এটা কি লিখতে হবে? ম্যাম ফার্স্ট অ্যাটেল ওয়ানটা করব।
T1.
ম্যাম এটা কি লিখতে হবে?
T1.
ম্যাম এখানে কি লেখা নেই?
Can't understand you, Samayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Samayan
Ma'am,
and
ma'am, answer the following question.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Number 1. What should you not do at home?
Ma'am, please tell
Yes,
the
Rajni.
reason number 2.
Yes, I will. Once everyone finish and reason number 1.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Just stay quiet for a moment. Then I will tell the reason number 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, if you have finished, right? Finished that we should never put our fingers into plug points because we may get an electric shock. Okay, the second line of first reason is because we may get an electric shock. Everyone write that.
Ma'am, after the full stop.
Yes, no, it's a comma, then you write.
Okay, ma'am.
After the first line, you put a comma, then write because we may get an electric shock.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dipal?
ma'am, tell me again.
Okay, the first reason you want to write is we should never put our fingers into plug points, comma, because we may get an electric shock. Everyone finished? Then reason number 2. Reason number.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
Okay, tell me when you are finished.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, now second reason. We should not leave glass items as they might fall and hurt us. We should not leave glass items. L-E-A-V-E. We should not leave glass items as they might fall and hurt us. We should not leave glass items as they might fall and hurt us. Everyone completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please take.
We should not leave
Ma'am,
glass.
please tell so slowly.
Okay. This have you completed the first point? The second point is we should not leave. We should not leave glass items as they might fall and hurt us.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. Amina, switch off your microphone.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, very good. Amina, C1 answer is what we are discussing. You write in your copy. C1, yes. Okay, okay, Amina. There are 2 points. First, we should never put our fingers into plug points, comma, because we may get an electric shock. Second point is we should not leave glass items as they might fall and hurt us. Now, the next question. What safety should you follow while bursting crackers? So, question 2. While bursting crackers, we should be alert and always in presence of an adult. Right, everyone? While bursting crackers, we should be alert and always in presence of an adult.
Ma'am, please say again.
While bursting crackers, we should be alert and always in presence of an adult.
Please tell again after alert.
After alert, you write and always in presence of an adult. In presence of an adult. If you finish that, you write that do not wear synthetic clothes. We should not wear synthetic clothes. We should not wear synthetic clothes as they catch fire quickly. Everyone completed? I will want to see everyone's copy. We should not wear synthetic clothes as they catch fire quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please tell after adult.
Okay. We should not wear. We should not wear synthetic clothes as they catch fire quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question number 3. What are the safety rules you follow at school?
Давай, давай, кака.
Question number 3. What are the safety rules you follow at school? We should not jump over the desk. Question number 3, answer I'm telling. We should not jump over the desks. We do not run up or down the staircase. We do not slide over the banisters.
Ma'am,
Yes? Because
ma'am, tell me again.
okay, from the first, we should not,
Ma'am, third number.
yes, third number, we should not jump over the desks. Then you write, we should not run up or down the staircase. We should not run up or down the staircase. We should not slide over the banisters. We should not slide over the banisters. Shifa, you come now? It's already 1:48.
Ma'am, because my phone charges ended.
Oh, okay, but that
You
is
just
1:45.
to say the page number.
Yes, we are doing the question answer. Page 46, page 47.
say my mother. My mother is not home.
Oh, okay.
I am alone.
Okay, but the class will end now. Okay, so I'm not giving you attendance today. So don't worry about that. I'm not giving you attendance, but tomorrow we'll discuss the whole question answer thing again. You can do it then. Okay.
Ma'am, please say the page number again.
For 47. 47 page
Yes.
C3 we are doing.
C3. I. Ma'am, আমাদের কোন কোন চ্যাপ্টারটা দিলেন?
Yes, C3 questions answer we are discussing. We'll discuss it again tomorrow. So do not worry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I say my mother that this prepared. This is ma'am doing.
Okay. Okay, that